Hello and welcome, my dear fellas. Brock Lesnar gonna square off against Travis Brown. This looks like a really great competition. 34 years of age Lesnar, 30 Brown. Brown is way taller, but he's got shorter reach. This is interesting. Travis Brown is 6'7", but he's got only 80 inches of reach, which is a bit strange compared to Brock Lesnar's 6'3", 81, which is considered a normal reach. We're going to see. Travis Brown used to be undefeated back in the days. This is from the early stages of Travis Brown in the UFC. But Brock Lesnar, he used to be a wrestler, a typical wrestler, and a former NFL player. The referee in charge of this contest is Josh Rosenthal. Travis Brown. Brock Lesnar. Glove touch. Okay. Brown caught a kick. Uh-oh, big punches by Lesnar. Lesnar is connecting with those kicks. He's throwing uppercuts. He's wasting a lot of energy and missing a lot with those uppercuts. Big hooks. Lesnar wants to brawl. Leg kick. He shoots in. Brown stuffs a takedown. Lesnar in the clinch. He's trying to throw Travis Brown. Oh man, what a slam against the fence. Well, it's easier to slam your opponent when you're against the fence. It was a knockdown, but Brown recovered. He was rocked. Lesnar is digging for a Kimura. Yeah, he's going for that Kimura, but from this position it's hard to finish a Kimura. It's very, very hard to finish a Kimura from this position. Brown ends up on the top, slips out of it. Lesnar scrambles out, but his takedown is stuffed. Brown with 1-2. Lesnar keeps brawling. He is landing big hooks. Brown with a high kick. Oh, excellent uppercut for Lesnar. Lesnar is fighting toe-to-toe. Leg kick again. Brown with a middle kick. Brown is having better kicks, obviously. Another middle kick by Travis Brown. He's digging to the body. Lesnar keeps aiming to the head. Great toe-to-toe brawl. Oh, what a takedown by Lesnar. It was very risky, but he was able to work his way out of this. Big hammer fists. Lesnar with a sweep transition. He is now in the full guard again. Raining hammer fists. Again transition attempt by Lesnar. Punches. More punches. He is hammering hard. Brown is rocked. The referee calls the fight. Brown was heavily rocked, and the referee had no choice but to stop the contest. Great victory for Brock Lesnar, got to say. Really was a great victory. Hammer fist victory for Brock Lesnar. He outsmarted his opponent. He won via round 1 TKO. He dominated Travis Brown on the ground as expected, but also in the stand-up Brock Lesnar wasn't too bad. I mean, we can't criticize him much in the stand-up too. He did a good job in the stand-up.